Happy holidays and welcome to the Bridgford Test Kitchen. I'm Jean Moore and today we're going to make Kahlua rolls. We'll be using the Bridgford frozen ready dough. To get started, we're going to do the first step, which is to make the syrup. For that we need 1/4 cup of butter, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of Kahlua or other coffee flavored liqueur. Now just mix this up here and heat it on low just to a simmer until all the ingredients are combined. Let's go ahead and heat that up. Okay, that just took a few minutes. Ingredients are all melted and combined for our syrup. I have a 12 cavity muffin tin that I've already lightly sprayed with spray shortening. So what we're going to do is put 1 tablespoon of this syrup into each muffin cavity. And this is the best part of these rolls, aside from the bread, is this caramelizes and glazes over the roll when you turn them out of the pan. So we have a tablespoon in each cavity. You're going to have some remaining. Just set it aside because we're going to use it a little bit later. And then evenly divide 1/4 cup of nuts between each cavity. And these are walnuts. You can use pecans or if you have another favorite nut. All right. So now we're going to set this aside and then we're going to make our filling ingredients. And for this, we're going to need 1/4 cup of butter, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a tablespoon of Kahlua. Now we're just going to mix this together. Now I have softened butter, so that makes it a lot easier to mix. But just combine this until you get to the consistency of like a frosting or a paste. Okay, this is ready to go. This is going to be the filling ingredients on our bread dough. I already have 1 loaf of Bridgford frozen ready dough thawed and rolled out to a 12 by 16 inch rectangle. All right, now what we want to do is take this filling ingredients and place it on our dough. And we are going to spread this evenly. Cover the dough. Okay, so we want to roll this up in jelly roll fashion and seal the seams and seal the ends. Whoops. Okay, we're going to divide this into 12 equal slices. I like to divide it in half and in half, and then just do each of these into 3. All right, so we'll take our pan that we had already put the syrup and the nuts in and just place 1 slice into each muffin cavity on top of the syrup and nut mixture that you did previously. And once these are all in, we are going to put this in a warm area to rise until double in size. Okay, so let's just put this over here to rise. Now I already did one a little earlier, and this one has risen. It's double in size. We're going to go ahead and put this in a preheated 375-degree oven for about 20 minutes or until it's golden brown. Okay, I just took these out of the oven. They were nice and golden brown. I went ahead and inverted them onto our serving platter. So I'm going to carefully lift this off. Alrighty. And remember that syrup that we had reserved earlier? Well, what you want to do is take that and pour that over the remaining rolls because you can never have enough syrup. And you can smell all that Kahlua. These smell great. All right, these are ready to serve. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Visit us at bridgford.com for more exciting recipes and holiday ideas. From our kitchen to yours, happy holiday baking.